this video, you will learn about opening account for Forex trading, filling details for account in broker, and good broker to use.
Before you begin the live account application, you want to make sure that you have some materials available. The application process should take about 10 minutes. You will need to provide the following information: a home mailing address, a phone number, your birth date, a social security number, employment status, your employer's information, their address, your approximate annual income, savings and investments, and the experience level of your investing. When you have this material ready, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Start Application here. Then you will need to follow these few steps, and we'll walk through the different pages right now. So the first option is your leverage. Leverage is, you have two available. You have 200 to 1 or 100 to 1. We recommend going with 200 to 1, and the reason for that is because you don't have to put up as much money per trade, and we can actually send you a video explaining what leverage is if you're interested in that. But just go ahead and leave that at 200 to 1 and choose your base currency. Below that, you will have the option for the account type. If you are going to just put it in your own name, individual. If you're putting it in you and your wife's name, joint. If you're going to put it under a business account, go ahead and click corporate. When you've got that filled out, go ahead and click continue, and the second page will ask you for some personal information: your name, email address, and your home address and phone number. Once you have that, the third page will ask you for your birth date, your country of citizenship, and your social security number. Now, I know that some of you may be hesitant to put your social security number in there, but it's important for tax purposes, and at the end of the year you will just receive a statement saying that this is the amount of money that you've made over the year, and you'll need to provide that to your tax advisor. Once you have that, go ahead and click continue and move on to the fourth page, where you will need to provide your employment status and the details of your employer, the address, the phone number. In addition, below that you'll find the financial information, so your approximate annual income, funds available for trading, things of that nature. Once you're done with that, the fifth page will ask you some questions about your trading knowledge. The sixth page will ask you to confirm the information that you just provided. The seventh page will ask you to create a password and provide some information about how you got to using this account. And the eighth page, you will need to confirm that information that you just filled in. And finally, when you're done with that, your application has been processed, or your application is complete, and it will be sent over to the processing department, and you should be notified of your approval within 3 business days. If there's some information that's missing, Forex.com will contact you and they will ask you to provide that. So getting the live account started is a simple process. Once you're approved, you'll be given a username and password. You just take that username and password and you log it into the MetaTrader that you have now, and it will convert into a live trading account. And once you deposit your funds, you will see those funds in there, and you'll be ready to start trading the Forex market live. So if you have any questions on this process, please don't hesitate to email us.